Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 9, Mensuration, exercise 9.2, question number 4. The question is, Rakshar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter, 2 meter and 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? So this is the cabinet which she is painting. So they have given that this measurement as length, and then this one is nothing but breadth, and this one is nothing but height of a cabinet. So this is 2 meter is length, and then 1 meter is breadth, and then height is 1.5 meter which they have given. And what they are asking, they have to find out the surface area except the bottom of the cabinet, other 5 surfaces they are painting. So first of all, let us consider the cuboid. So let us consider a cuboid where I have totally 6 faces. So here this is the front face, and then we have back face, and then top face, bottom, and then 2 side faces. Okay, so these are all the 2 side faces, and then top, and then bottom, and then this is front, this is back side. So totally we have 6 sides. So front face and the back face are affected by the measurements like length and height. So this one is length, this one is height, this one is breadth. So whenever we find out the area of the front face, so area is calculated by length into height. Why? Because this is having length and this is having the height. Whenever we want to find out the area of a side face is having the breadth and then height. So this is the breadth and then height. So for the side face, the area is given by breadth into height. And then for top face, so this one is length and this one is breadth. So for the top face and the bottom face, the area is calculated by length into breadth. So these are all the things first you have to understood in order to find out the area of different shapes. So here it is a cuboid. So what I am saying, for the front face, in order to calculate the area, we have to consider the length and then height. For the side face, we have to consider the breadth and then the height, and top face we have to consider the length and then the breadth. So coming to the problem, except the bottom of the cabinet, other 5 faces we need to paint. Area of total surface area is given by area of top wall. So area of top wall plus area of 2 side walls, area of side wall 1 plus area of side wall 2, and then area of front face and back face, area of front wall and area of back wall. So these are all the areas we need to consider except the bottom of the cabinet. So top wall is affected by the measurement length into breadth as we have discussed. Area of the 2 side wall is affected by breadth into height. And similarly the side wall 2 is also affected by breadth into height. And then front wall is affected by length into height. Back wall is also affected by length into height. So either you can directly substitute all the values here, or you can simplify and you can write. So generally we have another formula, that is the simplification of this formula also usually we will consider. So what are all the things we have considered here? This and this front wall and back wall, this and this 2 side walls. So totally 4 outer walls of a cuboid they will consider and simplify, and they will write the formula as 2h into L plus B also. That is also possible, or else we can directly use the formula as it is itself. So what I am saying, first term it is length into breadth, that we can write as it is. And then this and this, how we can write, since it is repeating 2 times, we can write it as 2 into breadth into height. Similarly, these 2 terms are repeating 2 times, we can write it as 2 into length into height. And again we can simplify this as length into breadth plus. So commonly this term is having which term? 2 and then h. What are all the common terms available? 2 and h. Here also 2 and h. So what we can do, we can again simplify this term. So take 2h commonly outside. So 2h commonly take outside. What is the other term? It is b. Here it is l. Okay. So like this also you can write your formula. Length into breadth and 2h into b plus l or l plus b. That is the formula for 4 walls of a cuboid. Surface area of the 4 walls of a cuboid. So this one is the 4 walls of a cuboid. Directly you can apply the formula as this, and top area is affected by length into breadth, or you can use the formula simply for each and every face. Okay, and then you can find out the total surface area. It is your wish, whichever is convenient we can use that. So here what is the length value? Length it is given by 2 meter, breadth it is given by 1 meter, height it is given by 1.5 meter. So just substitute all the values here. So length into breadth, it is 2 into 1, and then 2 into what is height, it is 1.5, and what is breadth, it is 1, length it is 2. 2 into 1 it is 2 plus 2 into 1.5, 1.5 into 2 it is what, 3, 1 plus 2 it is 3. Okay, so it is first term it is 2, second term it is 3 into 3, 3 into 3 it is 9. So 2 plus 9 it is 11. Totally it is 11. And what about the measurement? It is meter into meter. Meter into meter means it is meter square. So this is the total surface area of this problem except the bottom of the cabinet. So 2 plus 9, which is 11 meter square. Thank you. Thanks for watching.